Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to MLS online virtual classroom. Dear students, lecture number 9, page number 14, addition and subtraction. Today our target is learn to add and subtract numbers. Addition and subtraction, how to add and how to subtract. Add, total and all together. The action or process of adding a number to another number, the sum is called total. Subtract, take away. The process of subtracting something to take away is to subtract. Or take away a number or amount from another to calculate the difference. More. When two numbers are added, their resultant will be more than two added numbers. Less. When number is subtracted from other, the new number will be less than the first number. Who is 2 less than 7? Now here is, students are sitting in different A. Now count it, how many students are in cup A? 1, 2, 3, 4. B, 1, 2, 3. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is less than 7. C is less than 7. Now add A and E. In A you have 4 students and in E 2 students. When 4 plus 2 combines, total number will be 6. Total number will be 6. Adding C and D. In C, 5 students are sitting and D only 1. So answer will be 6 when you add 5 with 1. Dear students, this class is over. Thank you.